Hey friends, if you encounter errors setting traits on provider on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. In the elevated command prompt window, type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to update the graphics card drivers. Now, how would we update the graphics card drivers? I'll show you. So to update the graphics card drivers, search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Now expand the list of display adapters, right click on the first graphics card driver and select update driver and update it. On the second one, update driver and update it. If you have more, well and good, you can update those as well. The next solution is to update BIOS. Now, what does it mean by updating BIOS? So I have an Asus computer. All I need to do is search for Asus BIOS update and then go to its official center and enter the model name. In my case, it's FA507RE, and I'll select these drivers. I'll click on drivers and tools. I'll select BIOS and firmware, and then I will select download, and then I'll click on this exe file to install it on the system, and this will solve the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.